Okay, uh, good day everyone. In this video, we'll be discussing the last, basically the last part sa atong series of integration techniques. Miscellaneous substitution. Okay, so miscellaneous substitution ang what is stated by that word in essence kay free flowing na siya, free for all bisag unsa natong kuan dari, bisag unsa na classic tripping atong manunaan. Okay, so miscellaneous random kuan na siya kanang very unusual na mga kuan pamaagyon sa pag-solve ani sa problem. So there is no exact kuan kana ang direct way wa single universal na approach for all the problems under miscellaneous substitution. So kuan na siya lahi-lahi na ni siya kuan tripping lugar silbi. Okay, although nagya po ni siya kuan din we'll divide this into two na kuan na subtopics. One is for algebraic expressions like this. The other na po din katong mga trigo. Okay, so kuan na po ni siya nagya po na siya difference na nagamay, but all the more everything is mostly different when we're talking about miscellaneous substitution. I mean wala gyud siya kanang concrete direct na way para kuan ani. Although what I am going to show you is that unsan lang a manner na lang sa pag-solve niya. Okay, siya murag system na to din system na lang ako mapakita sa inyo kay wa magid siya kanang single one good for all na kuan na approach ani. Okay, ang kuan lang the way na lang sa pag-solve ani niya system na lang ako gusto ipadayag din sa inyo. Okay, so let's start off with something very kuan lugar kanang dili lang kay complicated na problem, which is kini. Now I need to integrate this. How do I do this? Technique is I need to search for the most complicated term sa atong expression din So I go with let z. Okay, let z is equal to square root x, diba? Square root x is unsa? Raised to the power of 1/2. So I'll just raise this to the power of 1/2 to make this more kuan lang. Okay, so ana na siya. Set up na to. Now I play with this. I make this z squared. This is x. So I differentiate this and I will have 2z dz. And this will be unsa? dx. Okay, so substitution nga na siya. Now I transfer from x to kuan z. I convert this then. dx, I plug this in. So that is equal to 2z dz divided by 1 square root of x, that is z. So I have something like this. Okay, so sa nga na case diri, it will come into very familiar na mga kuan ni na mga expressions. Now in this case diri, I'd like to play with the long division, diba? I mean divisible man siya diri, yang ubos niya. Okay, parehara man kung power niya din ay man siya kanang when you talk about long division, you have to check out the power sa tuang kuan, sa tuang expression. Okay, dito lang back lang ko. Okay, so when you talk about long division gani, you have to first investigate the biggest power sa numerator versus the biggest power of the denominator. Now we talk about numerators din its greatest power kay unsa man 1. Okay, z to the power of 1. So ubusa din diri, this is z to the power of 1 ba? So kuno siya patas. Okay, you only consider long division when the power of the numerator is equal or greater than the denominator. Okay, so yun siya investigate na. You should, that is a tip lugar when you're considering long division. Okay, so to make this a bit more familiar dayon diri, I'd like to rearrange this expression into more familiar na terms. Ako siya rearrange gamay. Ganahan mo mag-arrange. Okay, arranging things, it helps you visualize. Okay, so mo siya jumble na just try to be careful not to change the quality of the expression, and somehow may mo siya stretch gamay makita kag mga ways kung saan pag-solve na sa iya. Now In this case diri, I realized that long division is a good na kwan consideration ani niya. So ako butang dinhi. Long division. So long division, this is z plus 1. This is 2z plus 0 or ano lang siguro. Okay? So this is 2. This is 2z 2. Okay? So minus minus, so this cancels out 0, so this is negative 2. Minus 2 over z plus 1. So we have something like this, diba? So I'll just say that this is actually equal to 2 minus 2 z plus 1 dz. Diba? So I'll just break this down in terms of two integrals. I'll distribute dz, and this is factor out 2 dz z plus 1. Okay, so integrate this term by term. So this is just z 2 ln z plus 1. Okay, I leave you guys to work out the integration para niya. Pero as soon as mayo na mo magkuan, sige na mo solve, you'll come to realize directly kung sa ang result ana niya. Okay, so mata-mata integration, that is perks of solving so many problems. You develop ka na classing skill. Okay, so I'll just come back to x dayon. I started with x, I went through z, and I'm going to go back to the x variable. Okay, so this is z is equal to x square root. Okay, so 2 ln square root of x plus 1 plus c. I don't think this is a very bad experience. Okay, so okay, so let's go with this problem here. We have dx over cube root of x plus square root of x. Okay, so natin nga klaseng expression din eh. Now, what I want to do here is ako sa siyang konon gamay, stretch it around sa do. Okay? I'm not very comfortable with this expression right off the bat. So ako ni siyang anaon. I have something like this, diba? Now, next na sa dakong konon diri kay dili man siya uniform, diba? Medyo siya kuan libog gamay. It's not very uniform. Natay 1/3 extra power 1/3 diri, extra power 1/2 sad, diba? So natay mga kuan dani kana medyo alingasa gamay. It's annoying. I don't like this. I want to change this into something that I like. Okay, so yung anong gusto mo karon. 1/3 and 1/2. I want to look for a number that nasa both. Okay, nasa both din eh. Or siguro I would like the LCD. Okay, or LCD, something like that. Okay, so I have 1/3. Diba? Gusto ko ugkuan kanang common denominator ani siya. Okay, so kanisa siya 1/2. So 2 times 3, that is unsa 6, diba? Okay, so we have 1/6 diri, 6 dinhi. 6 is the very common konsa na kanang ang common gyud ani sila. 6 is equal to 2 times 3, diba? Basically from here dili na ni siya kuan na kanang, I'm just playing with this. Okay, I'm just playing. Dula lang ta diri. So natay 1/6 dinhi. I want to find a number in which ako multiply kang 1/6 that will result to 1/3. Sama na siya. B kuan siya, that should be so 1/6. 3 yun siya din eh. Kani siya kay 2, di ba? Nag-loading na gamay. Okay, so medyo ko dagan ko ganoon karon. Anyway, ngana ni siya. ba? So sige na tog dula-dula mabantayan na to kani siya klaseng pattern. So duha ka 1/6 that will result to 3, 1/3. So tulo ka 1/6 that will result to 1/2. Okay? So singa na case din diri, multiplication lang gini siya. So I'll have dx diri. Okay? 1/3 diri, I can easily say din dara na if ngani siya logic ato is i-follow, I can say that kani siya, I'll just raise this to the power of unsa 2 kani siya 1/6 raised to the power of 2, that will result to unsa 1/6 times 2, which will result to x over 1/3. Okay, so natay nga niya klaseng kuan diri, play of numbers. I hope maklaro ni siya din. This is 1/6. Okay, this is 1/6. Okay, kani sang isa din diri, 1/6 diri raised to the power of unsa 3. Okay, that will result to 1/6 times 3, that is equal to unsa 1/2 ba? Kita ninyo ang kuanda ni ang numbers na to. So it's safe to say din dari that x 1/3 is equal to x 1/6 raised to the power of 2 plus lagi sakto lagi 1/2 kani siya is equal to kani. So that is equal to x 1/6 raised to the power of 3. So mas kwan siya kanang mas comprehensible na dayon siya. Dili na kay siya nga naga alingasa, ba? Okay, so we have something like this. Now, ang next na ako gusto mo din diri, I just want to let na sa din diri, I can let sa z be equal sa kwan dinhi sa ka number, diba? Previously will be ang katong kwan to. First na to a dilemma is that we easily get confused kung unsa tong gamiton, 1/3 ba or 1/2, ba? But in this case, kabalo, we have reduced this to one common ground lang yun, which is 1/6. Ito siyang gi-convert sa nga kasing situation. So, safe to say na din dari, 1/6 ang akong gusto na number. For this din dara, I raise this to the power of 6. I have x. Then, differentiate z5 is equal to dx. So, natin nga kasing expression. I substitute this diri. And then it becomes unsa. Ako lay sulat diri. This immediately becomes dx is equal to 6z5 dz. Sorry, nakalimot ko. Napan siya differential di. dz is equal to dx. Okay? So have something like that. So kani din siya diri ubos. This is 1/6 z squared. Okay? So might as well not forget na lang diri na kamo na z squared is equal to 1/6 squared. Okay? Z cube is equal to 6 cube. Okay? Yan na siya. Okay? Para ma-follow ninyo na siya ang akong gibuhat diri. And then we have z to the power of 3. So it becomes something like this na dayon. 6 z squared times z squared dz. Z3 there rather. Okay, 3 plus 2, 5. So factor out now the z squared. I'm just saying diri na this is z squared. Z plus 1 plus z. So this cancels out. So now leaving us with just rearrange din din gamay, and this would become z dz, z cube dz divided by z plus 1. Okay? Jot lang. Okay. So, i-continue on. So, kanina sa din niya kung i-observe. Z cube unya z plus 1 dayon. Ba? Now, I ask myself daw, okay? Nasa division diri na itabo. Okay, there's a fraction diri. We have to check first ang ako ang powers din eh. Okay? Powers sa itong numerator, that is z raised to the power of 3. Power na to, the highest power na to sa denominator, z raised to the power of sa 1. Okay? So, if 1 ang power sa itong denominator, niya 3 ang atong power dito sa numerator, 3 is greater than 1. So, we can therefore put into consideration on sa silong division. Okay? So, we put into consideration din na pwede na silong division ani na scenario. Okay? Now, try to ask yourselves ara kung mo consider tagkuan partial fraction. Unya na. Okay? Tanaw na siya, z plus 1. Can we break that down into another factor na pod? Ba, in terms of factors niya, lisod naman. Wow, wala naman tayo may muha na siya, ha? So, we leave it at that. Dili natin siya makonsider si partial fraction. Ato makakonsider din silong division lang. Okay? Partial fraction, you have to consider that kung breakable ang nato din sa ilalom. Okay? If can't be breakable na gani, di siya ma-breakdown into other factors, then wala siya ikuan. Apil sa consideration. Okay? So, kabalo naman sa consideration sa long division ug sa partial fraction nato. Now, for long division, I'd say this is z plus 1 and this is ano sa 6z cube. I'd like to do this 0z squared plus 0z plus 0. Okay, so 0 sa this is ano sa z raised to the power of 2. So 6z cube 6z squared, so minus so ito ba, this is 0, this is negative 6 z squared, okay, plus 0z. So unsa ko multiply na po na siya diri, negative 6z, so negative 6z negative 6z. Okay, I hope maka-follow through mo ani. Then negative positive, so natay 6z na sa din diri plus 0 plus sa man siya diri 6z 6. Okay, so minus wala siya, negative 6. Okay, so kanina din siya diri, this should be negative 6 divided by z plus 1. Okay, so ako na din ni siyang iyan na din diri. This is the integral of 6z squared minus 6z plus 6 plus negative lang siguro, minus 6 raised to the divided by z plus 1, okay, multiplied by dz. I hope maklaro pa na siya sa screen. Okay, so muna siya din eh. Give me some time para ma-convert ko room. So we have this expression na, di ba? I'll integrate this into, ako na siyang i-breakdown into mga daga ng mga, sige na, integrals. Okay, minus 6z dz. I will siya factor out ng 6 plus 6 minus 6. Okay, so we have this. Now this is unsa minus 6 integrate term by term. Pa. So, kanin siya diri, cancel out 2, cancel out 3. Yan na rin siya, ba? to z cube. Balik naman ito sa itong old variable, okay, which is x. So this should be equal to unsa? 2 z cube. Z cube is equal to unsa man? Nara. Z cube is x to the power of 3, x 1/2, okay? X 1/2 minus 3 z squared. Z squared is x 1/3, okay? Plus 6 raised to the power of 1/6 minus 6 ln, para maklaro ninyo, x to the power of 1/6 plus 1 plus c. Now, I think okay na ni siya na kon. I consider ni siya as final answer. Okay?